Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy ICBR50 and welcome back to another video. So guys, oh my goodness, so my friend literally told me about this, and there's like a really cool Skibidi Toilet series, which is not the exact creator, which is DaFuqBoom, but this one is a very different storyline because my friend told me about this, and he told me to react to this, and it's honestly really cool. So this one is called Skibidi Toilet Multiverse, which is by Dom Studios. This is gonna be my first time reacting to Skibidi Toilet Multiverse. So I'm because Skibidi Toilet started off with it around like February or something, but now I think this one might start like around on probably like on around school time. So this one is gonna be really cool. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys are excited for this. So this is my brand new this is my first time reacting to Skibidi Toilet Multiverse, and I can't wait for what's the whole storyline. So anyways, guys, hopefully you guys are excited for this. So if you guys are excited to react to Skibidi Toilet Multiverse episode 1 by Dom Studios with me, smash the like button and subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, go and subscribe and the notification bell so you miss a video post another video. So guys, let's get right into the reaction. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for this. Let's see what's going to happen in this series. Alrighty, guys, so now I'm inside of YouTube. So we're gonna be watching Skibidi Toilet's Multiverse episode 1 up to 37, all episodes. So, and also this video is 2 hours long, so I think we're gonna have to like split up in like probably like 6 or 5 parts. So we're gonna be ending like around in like 15 minutes. So I don't know how many episodes are there. So but anyways, let's dive right into it. And I never watched this series in my life, and because I only watched the DaFuqBoom series, which is Skibidi Toilet. But now this one is a different storyline, which is my friend told me, if you guys heard that intro. But here we go, guys. We're gonna be watching Skibidi Toilet Multiverse episode 1. Here we go. Alright, Time Speakerman and Time Cameraman are together. Oh shoot! Run! Behind you! Oh, he's gonna get him. No! Bro, honestly, this one looks so realistic, honestly. It almost looks like a Skibidi Toilet DaFuqBoom series. No! He's running away! Come back! Ah! No! What the heck was that? What the? Whoa! Who are these guys? It looks like they're clock people. Clock person. Whoa, that was a big, large clock. Wait, what's he gonna do? Is that a timer? Oh! What did he just do? Oh, he freeze time! Yo! He's like Doctor Strange. What the heck? Oh, so when they stop time, the toilets will freeze, except for the Alliance, because they're gonna set up traps like a dynamites. Yo, I kind of like this so far. They added like new characters in this. Yo, that is sick. Yo, I like clock people now. Hey, thumbs up. What a W. I mean, I'm glad he's not in the Skibidi Toilet side. Oh crap, that's loud. Oh! Oh, thank you. Oh, he stopped time. Good. Bro, this series literally makes me look like I'm watching an actual series. But okay, so this clockman is bringing in the Skibidi. Oh, and he stopped time. Oh! He just killed himself with his own rocket, I think. Oh, you guys better run. But wait, why can't you stop time? What's wrong? What the fudge? What the fudge? Hey! Ah, come on, I was vibing out. I like that, to be honest. Whoa, what is this? Are we like some sort of clock HQ? Whoa. Oh, we can like future time. Oh, what the? Oh my goodness, and the clock bird. Wait, what's? Oh, oh my gosh, there's so many. What is that sound? Wait, what's going on? What the? Why did it just rewind? Yo, who is that? Oh no, he's gonna kill us. Yo, who is that? What is that? Oh! Oh! Who is that? Oh my gosh! Yo! It's Clockman Titan. Oh my god! Yo, that's actually epic. And he can stop time on Skibidis. Wait, what's he gonna do? Red? Oh! Wait. Wait, he's rewinding time or something? What's he doing? Oh! Wait, what the heck? Oh, he was on his side! He can infect the Skibidis? Yo! Oh, that's insane. Oh no, there's a scientist. Oh yeah, be ready. Let's go, Time Clock Man. Why are you guys playing chat? Oh crap. Alright. Time Clock. Oh, what the? Oh, G-Man is there. Oh, get him, yes. Got him. Wait, is he gonna infect him? Come on, please. No! Oh, okay, thank God, he has a saw. No, oh my god, not the astro. Damn, that was personal. Oh no. Oh, Time Clockman is infected. It is. Wait. What do you mean no? Oh. Oh! Oh! Wait, where'd he go? He just disappeared. What the heck are the? Alright, anyway. Oh my! What the? Oh my gosh! Hey, they're together. Oh, wait, what's wrong? Oh! Oh! Hey, hey, leave him alone. Oh yes, yeah. And they flushed him too. What's wrong with Time Clock? Oh my god, yo, you gotta run. Oh no, no. Oh, come on, get him. Oh crap. Oh, Time Clockman's here. Oh, and this affected Skibidis. Oh, let's go. Come on. Yo, I kind of like this series so far. I'm glad my friend just gave me so many ideas about Skibidi Toilet episodes. And there's an Astro Twins behind him. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Oh man, we didn't even get to see the battle. Alright, Time Clockman's on the move. Oh! The Time Speakerman is back to headquarters. The subject is injured and will be able to fight. Oh shoot, it's Sign Caraman. He's infected, bro. Come on, get him! Oh, he blocked it! No! Ah! Come on, take him out. Uninfect him or something, or... Come on, find him! Behind his neck! Wait! Oh, he cannot find the parasite. Oh, that's not good. Oh! Oh, yes! Come on! Oh, he cut away. He's gone. Come on, take his parasite out. Come on! Oh! Oh! Come on! Take it out! Take it out! Take it out! Oh! Oh! You just straight up killed Time Cameraman. Absolutely. Wait, why are we rewinding back? Wait. Oh my gosh. So Time Cameraman is dead? Unless you rewind time? And then maybe he's fine? Oh, he is. Nice. Wait, the parasite was not in there. The parasite was inside. Oh no. Oh no. Crap. And the scientist is here with the magnets. You've got to be kidding me. No! No! Please, please don't infect that. Don't infect Time Clockman, please. Oh, yes. Oh crap. No! Okay, thank God. Thank God. Thank you. No, no! Did he shut him down? You gotta be kidding me, bro. Are you serious? And he's gonna kill us. Oh man, that's not cool. Okay, where are we at now? So we're in Time Speakerman's POV. Okay. And now they're... Okay. Stop dancing! There's no time to dance! We're in a war! Oh, never mind. We're not in the POV of Time Speakerman. Okay, so where are we at now? So, oh yeah, I forgot we're in the Clock HQ. Oh, what is this? Oh man. It's that dude that cut off by the magnets. Oh wait, is he gonna repair him by his... Is he gonna reverse time and coming back to life? Oh, he cannot. Sometimes they glitched out. Oh, yo! Hey girl, what's good? It's Clock Woman, what's up girl? Alright, so he's gonna open time and then oh, look! Whoa! Oh, that's sick! There he is! He's back! Hey, nice! The okay sign. Titan has been captured. Oh no! Let me guess, they're gonna infect him after. Wait, what the? What are you doing? Are they just doing like a sort of experiment of the Skibidis? Oh, he burned him alive in his head. Oh, there he goes. And now he's black. What the? Wait. What the heck? Yo! He's gonna keep killing him over and over again. He's gonna keep rewinding and killing the Skibidis. He's gonna keep doing it over. Is he actually gonna do it? I swear, if he actually do it like 3 times, okay, good. Dude, that is kind of messed up. That's straight up torture. Oh, he did it again! Damn, that is straight up torture, I swear. Okay, large TV man is here. Hey, where we at now? I might blow my camera low. Oh! Giant Speakerman doing his trick, nice. Oh no! 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 Okay, thank you. His speaker got away. And shot him as well. That's nice. Hey, what the fudge? Yo, he's coming out of the ground? What the heck? Are those drills? They're whoa! It's the drill man. Drill people. So now they have camera, speaker, TV, clock, and drill. Get ready for your next mission. Mission type rescue. Okay. Is that for Time Speaker Man? Oh yeah, he is. Yeah, that's crazy. Look at that. Look at that guy. The large drill. It's like a dock up drill. Okay, who did that? Oh, whoa! Who put needles on his face? Oh, it's this guy. Oh, what's up, bro? What's up, drill man? Big W. Wait, whoa. Where are they coming from? Oh, some drill people there. Oh, there's a lot of drill people. Oh, drill people is coming. Whoa! What the heck? Is it the drill titan? I think it is. Yo! Oh, that's insane. Oh! He can make himself as an earthquake. He can shake the ground. Oh, and he hates sounds too. Wait, how is he gonna do that? Oh. Oh, he just he just straight up destroyed him. Oh, and he shot him too. Oh, Time Speaker. Oh, it's not him. It's Time Speaker Man. What the heck? Now they have Titan Drill Man now. Time Clock Man and Time Drill Man? That's crazy. Honestly, he looks cool. Alright, we're in the nighttime part. And after this, we're gonna be stopping right around somewhere here. Because we have to split in like a few parts. Oh, flush him, flush him, flush him! Oh, perfect timing. Oh! That was torture! No! Oh! Oh, he has a saw. Ah! No! Wait. Warning, TV appearance. Wait, is this supposed to be... Oh, TV people are here! Yes! Okay, good. Now the time stopped. Okay, now you guys gotta do something. As long as you guys flushed him, you'll be fine. Come on, hurry up, guys. Oh, nice. Oh, in his mouth, damn. Give him a slap. Oh, that is for... Oh. He just flipped on him. Oh, no. Not Time Caraman, in fact. Oh, yes. Yes. Come on. Oh, he's coming out the ground. It's Drill Titan. Yes! I knew it. Come on. Find his parasite. Find the parasite. Find the parasite. Ah! Oh, he's trying to fly. Oh, you can't let him escape. Come on. Come on. Yes. Wait, where are you going? Oh, it's Cyclops Man. Oh, he's a capture. Oh, he looks injured and very dead. Oh wait, he's moving. Oh, is this a Skibidi? Ah! Run! No! Ah! Come on, dude, that's not cool. What the? Is he blind? No! No, not speaker moment, please. Wait, what the? Oh! Oh! Camera moment. Hey, it's Plunger Man! Oh my goodness. Oh my, I still remember Plunger Man, bro. He died in like around Skibidi Toilet 70. Like, which is sad. What is this? Is that a clock spider? Oh, they're putting like some sort of spiders. Where are they doing that? Oh, up, and they're broken. Bruh, come on. Oh, it's a magnet skip. Ah, come on, bro. No. Oh, okay. Thank you, thank you. Tiny speaker and save the day. No, no. He took away his gun. What the? Ah! Yo, we got a flamethrower! Yes! Oh, but he's still protecting it though. It's not magnet anymore. It's not sticky anymore. Oh, oh, ah! Why you gotta do that to me? No, that's too violent. That's a little bit violent, bro. Yeah, you gotta protect that boy. Try and fuck him. Oh no! Oh, they have skibidi. Oh, there's skibidis with drills now. Whoa! Stop copying our you know, our weapons. Oh, whoa! Who is this? Who are these guys? Oh. I think they're still fighting. Oh. Alright, it's Tying Drillman versus Tying Caraman. Infected. Come on, please. Please, dude, please. No! Come on. Wait, did he broke his hammer or something? Ah! Ah! No! Oh, yes! Wait, is that Godzilla's atomic breath sound? Oh my gosh, it is! Yo, is Dom Studios a big fan of Godzilla? If he is, props to him. Props to him. Alright, come on. Oh wait, oh, he's using his ground. Yes! Yes! Come on, take him out, take him out. Oh, he paused his arm. He paused another arm. Come on. Pause his head too. Pause his head too. Oh yeah, paralyzed. And you're gonna take it out. Come on, please. Yes. Nice. And then kill him, kill him, kill him. Oh yeah! Oh, oh, that's funny. There you go. Tying Caraman is back to life. Let's go. And Tying Drillman just came in clutch. He did. Wait, why no? Wait, what do you mean no? What's going on with you? Okay, I don't know what's going on with Tying Caraman, but anyways, guys, I'm gonna be stopping here because we're gonna be continuing some like a little bit of a parts of Skibidi Toilet Multiverse. But don't worry, I will be back some more. So anyways, guys, that is gonna be the end of this video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. And honestly, Skibidi Toilet Multiverse is a very fun series. It's almost slightly better than the original series. But anyways, guys, that is gonna be the end of this video. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Goodbye. And